How to cut seed potatoes. Cutting seed potatoes is a common practice for many home gardeners. Seed potatoes can be cut in half before planting to increase your crop of spuds. Cutting your seed potatoes will help you stretch the number of seed potatoes a bit so you can grow more potato plants in your garden and hopefully grow more potatoes. One seed potato becomes 2 or 3, allowing more potato plants from less seed and less cost to you. Selecting the correct size. Please bear in mind that you do not have to cut your seed potatoes before planting them, but if you do wish to cut your seed potatoes, you need to choose which ones. It is advised that you leave small potatoes alone, so those the size of a small egg should be planted whole, but larger potatoes can be cut into smaller pieces. How to cut seed potatoes. Using a sharp knife, select a line that will give each piece at least 4 eyes and cut off a generous portion. However, be careful not to cut through any of the eyes, as this will destroy the future sprout. Even larger potatoes with many eyes or sprouts can be cut into possibly 3 pieces, provided they have at least 4 eyes for each piece cut off. This size and number of eyes gives the potato plant the best chance for success. Curing cut seed potatoes. After cutting, the seed potatoes should be left at room temperature for at least 2 to 3 days. This curing period allows them to firm up and reduces the chance of rotting. The cut side of the potato will dry and harden. This stage helps keep soil-borne diseases out of the potato plant. A fully cured seed potato will not be wet on the cut side and be leathery to the touch. What are the pros and cons of cutting seed potatoes? Pros. 1. It allows you to double your number of seed potatoes and crops. 2. It is quick and easy to do. And 3. It saves you money from buying extra seed potatoes. Cons. 1. It can increase the chances of disease and rot. However, curing the potatoes fully can lower this risk. Conclusion. In summary, cutting seed potatoes is a quick and easy way to double the number of seeds you have and increase the number of plants for a much larger harvest.